I think you can see background has gone, background has come, background has gone, background has, I think you have seen it. Then I'm going to add a filter, which is Chroma Key here. I think you can see it from here, Chroma Key. Then from there, I will say I'll add the Chroma Key. The moment you hit OK, then the background will have to disappear. Hello, this is the Dreams Channel 7. Today I want to show you how to remove your background on your camera. Let's assume that you are living in the room that has got a lot of cluster like mine that I'm going to show you back way on my backside. And then in that room, you want to remove the background of the room, and then you put something that is a little bit good and clear. So how are we going to do it? This is what actually I want to take you through so that you may learn it and then you know what to do. Now, what we are going to do, we'll have to first get a webcam. Let's go and see how we're going to get a webcam. I want you to have a look here. I am using a webcam called IV-Cam. You will have to look for this IV-Cam and then install it on your machine. Now this is IV-Cam or any other webcam that is easier for you to get. Now this is IV-Cam here, right here. I think you can see it. Look at this one. Okay. Look at this IV-Cam right here. I think you can see it. This is IV-Cam that I wanted you to download, and then you put it on your machine. After downloading IV-Cam, exactly same IV-Cam, you will have to download it and put it onto your mobile phone. After putting all together, both IV-Cam on your mobile phone and your laptop, what you're going to do, you'll have to use a USB cable so that you can connect that IV-Cam onto your webcam. And this is so good if you have IV-Cam actually. And with IV-Cam, it can easily remove a background from your camera. Now, after installing this IV-Cam, and then you have done it on your phone and on your computer, then you will get a USB cable. Here, actually, I have a USB cable right here that I wanted to show you. You'll be having a USB cable of this nature, but if you have a USB cam, a USB of this nature, what you will do, you'll have, I think you have seen it. Then I'm going to add a filter, which is Chroma Key here. I think you can see it from here, Chroma Key. Then from there, I will say I'll add the Chroma Key. The moment you hit OK, then the background will have to disappear. I think you can see there is no background back of side of me. Then you try to organize it yourself. I think you can see by changing or adjusting somewhere around. Here there is something like a green, then there is blue, magenta or custom. So if you say blue, the color changes. But for this case, the background here I'm using, I think you can see, this is a green background. So meaning that I have to use green Chroma Key. I think you can see how I'm doing it. Okay. I think you can see background has gone, background has come, background has gone, background has come. So from here, you can still add something backside so that it can work better for you. Let me add something backside so that you can see how it works. Let me add an image. I'm going to add an image so that you can see how I'm doing it. Now assume that I want to add an image like this. I make it full, then I send it backside. So I go to my IV cam again, then I activate my, I think now you have seen me. I'm able to remove the background, and then it has actually disappeared. Now I can teach you by showing you what is on my back. I think you are seeing. So with this video, I think you have seen how to remove a background from your webcam. Now thank you for watching this video, and I call upon you to subscribe, like and share so that we learn more than this if you are willing to do so. Please comment down so that I can again come here, then I show you how to do a lot of stuff. Thank you very much, and I wish you a good day.